Good morning, my name is Manuel. Today, I will show how to create a workflow in iFlow. Before we begin, I would like to explain two basic concepts of iFlow. One of these is the concept of process, or flow, which is an information flow that passes through various functional blocks. And what are functional blocks? Functional blocks are system features that receive information from this flow as input, and transform it, and send it as output to another function block, or the end of the process. Explain these two concepts, we can begin the construction of our first process in iFlow. To do this, simply go to the button, New Process. Assign an ID to our flow and a name, and then we'll open a window or a workspace. To provide information to the user, in this case, we will demonstrate a Hello World message. Just drag the function block, form, into our drawing area. Join the block, start, with the functional block, form, and then finish our process joining the form block to the functional block, end. I want to emphasize that the block form is the main block system interaction with the user, since it is this block which provides information to the user, and collect information into the system, or flow. Then to present our message in the form, we need to parameterize the field, text message, to show the user a message. Then give a message to the text message field. Then we need to configure, or parameterize a button so that the system continues the flow forward, which in this case, will be the end of the flow. So we need to tell the system that we want a button with the action, next, or in this case, forward. Once the flow form fields are designed and parameterized, we need to carry the flow in the system. To do this, simply go to the Upload button, so that the flow is loaded into the system and stored. Then, we have to go to our web browser, and enter the system, at the following URL. Then, we have to log in with user, OLOPS, which is the user, and the system administrator. It is noteworthy, that although the process is loaded into the system, is not yet available in the panel process, because this process has not been associated with any group of users, who we call as profiles. To associate a process to a group of users or profiles, we need to go to the tab, Admin. Go to the tab, Admin. Coming here in our case, it has the new flow. Press the button, Profiles. Here, we have to associate our process to profiles. In this case we associate with the profile FD, which is OLOPS profile, and update the system. Then, back again to the Admin tab, and change the state of the process for Asset. So if we go back to the panel process, the process will be available to the user all loops, and for all users' profiles in the finance department, or FD. Finally, let's run our process, to be shown the form that we draw in our flow. Simply click on the flow, and we will be presented to our form. This is the form that was designed in iFlow editor. If we click the button, Next, it will then pass to the end of the process, which is the end block, and the process will be terminated. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. The next video I will talk about the form block, form, and of the variables that are used in iFlow system. If you have any questions, contact me by email, manuel.costa@infosystema.com.